In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Base44 app quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature if you want to create a copy of an existing app, test new ideas, reuse your setup, or build a similar project without starting from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go to your apps page inside your Base44 workspace. This is where all of your apps are listed in one place, so you can easily find the project you want to work with. Once you're on the apps page, look through your app cards and find the app you want to duplicate. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple apps with similar names or layouts. After you've found the app, look for the More Actions icon. This is the 3 dots icon on the app card, and it usually contains extra options for managing that app. Click the 3 dots to open the menu. From the list of available actions, select Clone App. That's the option you need to create a duplicate copy of the app. Base44 will then generate a cloned version of your app, allowing you to continue working from that copy instead of the original. This is perfect when you want to experiment safely, create variations, or speed up your workflow by reusing an existing structure. And that's it. You've now learned how to duplicate a Base44 app in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.